We are now going to Puy.
The most famous lady.
Puy the Roti Lady.
We walk from Silom Complex going to the soy Sala Daeng.
We are not sure if it's Sala Daeng or one.
I think this
Or
one.
Tanon Sala Daeng.
It should be this one. Tanon Sala Daeng.
Sala Daeng. Oh, I
No.
saw her already.
เห็นทันทีเลย ไม่ต้องตามหา ใช่ Russell, there's so many camera. There's so many cameras already. Russell, you have one. Russell, we are number 4.
You are it. Both are. How about chocolate and egg? No. Okay, the chocolate, only chocolate. Okay.
So I cannot see. I forgot you have an iPhone.
So,
Did not block anyone, ใช่ไหม ขอบคุณค่ะ Where is she?
I will take another one again. And video. We already have video.
Short video for you. Mine is long video for YouTube.
Mine is for Facebook.
I need to have more for Facebook and IG as well as short.
And focus on Reels, Facebook Reels this time.
As you can see now,
And I'm lazy to edit.
so many customers and so many
Video
cameras
better.
as well.
I wanna take this photo.
See, they all have camera with them. Oh my!
Okay. Okay, so we will do the review for the roti of Puy, the Roti Lady,
The famous.
the famous Roti Lady in Sala, Daeng. Oh, it's double. Alright. I want the one with the milk.
This,
So
this is banana and egg.
I don't taste the egg. Did she forget the egg? But I can taste the banana.
She put the egg
She
already.
put the egg, or maybe in this part. Mm. And it's soft and cheap na. So you should try this one also. Oh, how can I eat? How can I stop eating? When I start eating, I cannot stop. You see, it's very filled with milk, banana, and egg. Ooh, and it's dripping. The good thing is it's not too hard, it's not too soft. It's just, what do you call it? It's just exact softness. And the flour, it's very good. So you should visit Soy Saladeng.
ถนน
And
สลัด
Tanang Saladeng. Recommended.
Thank you. Okay. This is banana and egg, right? Okay, let's see. Russell already tried some of them. Okay. กินแล้วนะคะ It's good. Soft. Sweet. Did you ask for less sweet? Or?
No.
Not too sweet. So if you worry about
The sweetness.
the sweetness, it's okay. This is my first time trying the famous roti lady. After I saw her in from YouTube video, right, like from last year, and then it's our first time. You want more? Okay. You can have them all.